Welcome to Trade Pro. In this video, I'm going to be testing this simple strategy that I explained in yesterday's video 100 times in a row so you can see how it performs over a series of trades. Now, let me show you a quick example, but go and watch yesterday's video if you would like to really see a full explanation with lots of examples. The main point of this video is to test it 100 times and see what the results are so you know what to expect if you're trading this in real time. First things first, the basic indicator setup, MACD, Chaikin money flow, and the average true range. The average true range is just for setting our stop loss. So you're going to be multiplying the ATR value by 2, and that's going to be your stop loss placement. Chaikin money flow is a filter, so you can only take long entry signals when the money flow line is trading above the zero line, and you can only take short entry signals when the money flow line is below the zero line. Now the MACD crosses are going to be how we get our entry signals. So first thing that we're going to look for is a cross of the MACD line and the signal line above the zero line of the histogram. So now that these lines are trading above the zero line of the histogram, we're waiting for the next cross up. So we have a cross down here, and then we see a cross up. So we're going to wait till the candle close here, and this is our go signal. But we must first consult the Chaikin money flow. Is it above the zero line? Can we go long? Yes, it is. So this is going to be a long entry signal on this candle. Let's zoom in and set up our risk to reward ratio. What I'm going to be doing for this 100 tests is using a 2 times risk for the profit target. So let's see what our ATR value is for this entry candle. It's 9.8 pips. You can see on the top left of the ATR indicator there, it tells you what the value is for this entry candle. You're going to be multiplying that by 2, so we come out to 19.6 pips as our stop loss. So there it is, 19.6 pips as the stop, and then we're aiming 2 times risk for this specific test. Although in real time, I would be more so looking to take off some profit at 1 times risk and then let the rest ride to a farther target till there is a clear exit signal. But anyway, for this 100 tests, it's going to be just the 2 times risk reward for every single trade. So just to keep it consistent and simple. But anyway, go watch the video yesterday if you want to see a more detailed explanation of this strategy. It's time to get into the 100 back tests now. Results are in. After 100 trades, there were 50 winners, 50 losses, giving it a win percentage of 50%. The most lost in a row was 6, the most won in a row was 5, and the gain on your account could have been 50% over the series of these 100 trades, assuming perfect entries, no fees or slippage, and no spreads. So this strategy is the best one I have shown you yet. And you probably could have guessed that when I posted the explanation of it yesterday, because it utilizes more filters and tools. Having this here, the Chaikin money flow, as a trade filter does help weed out some of the bad entry signals, saving you money on this strategy where otherwise you would have taken an entry signal. Having the ATR for your stop loss is also a fantastic tool to use. Plus, it makes the process of choosing your stop completely mindless and not subjective. So you could do the exact same method of stop loss as me trading this strategy in real time. There's no subjectiveness to it. Like if I had said place your stop below the nearest swing low, there's some subjectiveness to that. You don't know which swing low I'm talking about. Or if I say support or resistance, like what support, what resistance, where am I placing my stop? This way, it's purely straightforward. Just multiply the ATR value by 2 and choose that as your stop. Another thing I would do to improve this strategy, and yes, this strategy can be improved greatly by adding in more trade sharpening tools and filters. But if I give you away all my secrets here, I don't have anything to sell once my channel gets larger. So sorry guys, but I think strategies like this are going to be about as far as I go for the free content for now. But I want you to go out and test different things. Like maybe you could change the settings on the MACD to give you earlier entry signals or better entry signals. Maybe you can add in a moving average that helps things out for another filter. Maybe you can add in a different volume sort of indicator that performs better than the Chaikin money flow. But those things are what I'm trying to inspire you to test out, and that's why I keep making these testing videos. I want you to go out there and develop your strategy. Find the best things that you can add to it. I don't want to hand it all to you because that is not what creates a good trader. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you liked it, and there's plenty more videos similar to this coming down the line. I have some other strategies that I would like to show you guys and test. Plus, I have some requests from people to test their strategies out. So I will do it to help out, and I hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you've been watching, and have a fantastic day.